Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel, and today, literally an exciting day. I just got this package today. It's October 17th. I don't know when this video is getting up, as soon as I can obviously, but it's actually heavy too. I got the Jeffree Star Supreme box at my front porch today, and I was like, we need to dive into this ASAP. With the theme of it being Halloween, I had to get my cute little pumpkin. I got this at the dollar store. Like, isn't it so cute? Like $1 for this little spooky guy. Like, I love. And I don't know why I mentioned that. I just wanted to say it. And if you guys are interested in watching today's video of me unboxing the Jeffree Star Supreme box, then just keep on watching. Alright, I got my little eyebrow cutting scissors because I can never find a box cutter or actual scissors. So let's just open this up. I already see the first thing and I'm just like wigging out because I'm excited. It is one of Jeffree's tracksuits, and I don't have any because I was like, I don't know, I don't want to spend the money, but I spent money on a $160 box, but we're not talking about that. So I got like the lime green tracksuit, and it's so cute. Like, I'm so excited for something like this because obviously I don't have it and it's adorable, but I want to feel how the quality is. These actually feel like really good, like, I almost said sweatpants, but yeah, you guys know what I mean, like really good quality. And I feel like they're going to fit really good. Like, I got it in the medium, so I feel like these will fit really good actually. So, let me feel the hoodie. It's probably going to be the same exact material. Alright, and then here is the hoodie, the same exact material. This is so, ooh, can y'all see it? This is so cute, and I can't wait to try it on and wear it out. But I mean, this is honestly the first item you get a tracksuit, and I feel like his tracksuits are really expensive. There's so much in here, I don't even know where to start. But I see this little guy. Oh my god. This literally cannot be happening. I was just telling, I think it was my fiance Jay, that I have every single palette by Jeffree but the mini breaker. And I was like, that'd be a cute Christmas gift. Never mind. Now I have every single palette. Oh my god. Oh my god. That is so cute. Oh my gosh. Look at how cute that is. I really like that orange shade right up there. That's the one I keep looking at. And like that gold, the brown. This is going to be another palette that I'm gonna love, and I already know that his quality of his eyeshadows are amazing, so now I have all of his eyeshadows, so yes, I'm already so happy so far. All right, I see this little bullet right here. Let's see, I got in the shade Yummy. I'm guessing this was from, I think it was a summer collection. I really can't remember what the green packaging was from. I think it was the summer collection though. Oh yeah, this is the little frosty guy from the summer. Okay. You probably won't even be able to see that. It looks so light, just like a very light purple. It doesn't come up like super pigmented, but honestly you can just wear this as like a topper on top of like a lipstick or a liquid lipstick, just to give it like a little bit of like a glossy shine without the glossy feel. So that's actually super cute, and I don't own anything like this, so pretty cool. All right, I see this. I was like, I'm gonna wait till the end, but it's the Halloween one. I got Zombie Kiss. Ooh. That is so cute. It has like a little bit of like a purple reflect in it. It's not like too much of a reflect, but that is so cute. I'm guessing it's like his metallic finish because it doesn't feel like the other liquid lipsticks. I could be wrong, but that's going to get some uses because that is honestly a really pretty shade. And also, can we talk about this little packaging? That is so cute. Like, he should have done like a whole holiday line for Halloween, and I would have bought literally every single thing. I see a little lip scrub right here, and I just checked, and I don't own this one, surprisingly, because I own a lot of his lip scrubs. This one is in Cucumber Mint. Ooh, let me give it a little smell. That smells really good. It reminds me of something though. I don't know. I can't think of what it reminds me of, but it's something from my childhood. I don't know, but it's going to get definitely a lot of good uses because it smells delicious. If I already didn't use one today to get off the crust on my lips, I would use it again, but this is definitely going to get used in my little collection. All right, the next thing I see is it's a reusable straw, which look, you get the little cleaner. Last time I didn't get a cleaner with the summer box, which that is so cool. And it looks like it's from like a little holiday, you know, Halloween collection that he's doing. So I have the pink one and now I got a cute little orange one. Okay, so next, let's see. Oh, we got Venus Flytrap. I can't remember if I have this one or not. I don't think I do though. I know I have the other green ones. Oh, I can't remember their name. All right, the other two green ones that I have are Crocodile Tears and then Dirty Money. I wanted to say Money Honey and I'm like, that's not right. So now I have another little guy to add to the green collection. And I mean, even if I don't want to use this guy on my lips, honestly, you can use it on your eyes because all of his lip products are eye safe as well. That's actually a really pretty shade. Like, that would be really pretty in the waterline if you just want to add like a little pop of color, or if you want to do like a wing with that, that would be adorable as well. Oh, I don't have this either. I saw the little packaging and I bought Diamond Wet from the summer, I believe, yeah, this had to have been from the summer collection. So this is Caramel Kiss. That is so pretty. Oh my gosh. It might be just a little bit too dark to wear as a highlight on me. So I don't want to swatch it because I might just end up passing this on to like a friend that will get more uses out of this, but this is so cute. I mean, I could use it as an eyeshadow, but the amount of times that I might not reach for it, like using it as an eyeshadow versus someone who will use it a lot, you know, for a highlighter, it's not worth the swatch to me. Ooh, oh my gosh. I was just saying how I wanted this lipstick, but now I got the lip liner. It's in the shade Anna Nicole. It's just like that perfect orangey red. It's adorable. I feel like if you just like did a really cute like neutral look with this on your lips, that would be absolutely stunning. This has also been eyeing me because I also don't have any of his little lip mini bundles and I've been wanting one for so long and I forgot which ones were in here. I believe it's the reds. So let's just dive in. Oh my gosh, the first one I see is it says Anna Nicole. Oh my god, now I have it. That is so funny that I have the lip liner and now I have the liquid lipstick as well. Okay, so it looks like we have Doll Parts, another one that I don't have, which I'm also very excited because it's been on my list of things I want. Calabasas, Wifey, Watermelon Soda, Anna Nicole, Prom Night, ooh, Red Rum, and then Unicorn Blood as well. Sorry, it's so hard to read these. Honestly, these shades are absolutely adorable. I guess I could swatch them all for you right now. Why not? The first one is Doll Parts. All right, this one right here is Doll Parts. Literally so pretty. I can't wait to wear this one. It's just, it's so cute. All right, I already own this one. This is in the shade Calabasas. Right there is Calabasas. This has been another one that I'm like, oh, I really want this one day. Ooh, that is so pretty. That's in the shade Wifey right there. It's just been on my little list of things that I want to, because I feel like that'd be so pretty for like the fall and then for like the winter time as well. Oh my god, this one smells absolutely delish. This is Watermelon Soda. Whew, right there for you guys. Here's the shade that I'm so excited for. Here is Anna Nicole. That I honestly cannot wait to wear this one. I might even wear it to work tomorrow because I think that is so cute. Here's Prom Night. Ooh, that one is so pretty. I thought it was gonna look like the shade Diva, and I already have that one, but I can already tell that it's so different from the shade Diva. Here's another one I've been so excited for. That is in the shade Red Rum right there. All right, and last but not least, one of my other favorites, Unicorn Blood. And then we have Unicorn Blood right there. So I feel like this is just like a good selection of lipsticks. I'm definitely going to wear every single shade that came in this little bundle. So, and here's what it looks like again. All right. Oh my gosh. Look at how cute. Oh my god. I don't have anything to play this on, but in case anyone wants to give me a Christmas gift, you can give me something to play this little guy on. But I got Prom Night from the little records that he has. It's so funny because I used to jam out to this when I was in 8th grade and thought I was super seen and super cool listening to Jeffree Star. And now look, I have the little vinyl of it that I can listen to being a 22-year-old. So it's so funny, 10 years later I'll be jamming out to this still. Last but not least, this is a mirror, and if it's the one, I mean, honestly, I'm okay with either one, but if it's the one I really, really wanted, I'm gonna scream. Oh my gosh, yes, look at this. Oh my god, that is so freaking cute, and it's the one that I wanted. So I just think that it's so adorable. I have like that turquoise blue. I'm keeping it right up there, so I'm just like, it's right there. I absolutely adore this mirror. I love that that's in black. That is such a cute touch. Oh my god, you guys have no idea. Can't wait to use this in future videos to put on my makeup. This is just, I'm just like so happy that this little orange one was in there. Yes. So let's just go over everything that I got in the Supreme box. Okay, so the first thing that I got in the box was this little tracksuit top from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. I don't know why I have to say that. Obviously you guys know what that is. So I got the tracksuit top, and I also got the bottoms to go with it. And these are honestly going to be so fun. They have little pockets. I'm really trying not to get my arm of lipsticks all over this cute little lime green, because then it'll probably be done for, honestly. So the first two were the tracksuit. And then next I got the mini breaker, which honestly, you guys have no idea how happy I am that I completed my Jeffree Star eyeshadow collection. I mean, this is all I needed, and now I have it. I'm just so happy that I actually purchased this box. Then we also got this little bullet from the summertime collection in the shade Yummy. I mean, you guys can barely see it. I mean, I can barely see it, and I'm looking right at it. It's just a very light shimmer shade. It's honestly very pretty. Like, it's not going to be like an intense purple or anything. It's just going to be like a little like lip topper, basically. All right, we also got this spooky little shade Zombie Kiss, which was that purple right there. And once it dried down, it kind of reminds me of the metallics that he has, but like a little bit better, I guess you can say. So can't wait to try that out. We also got this little reusable straw, and I'm excited for this as well because I already have the one. I know they're good, and I also love that this time it came with the cleaner, because last time it didn't, and it's kind of hard to clean it. I'm like digging in there with like anything to get like the soap in there, so I love that he added that. Also, we got this shade, or we got the lip scrub Cucumber Mint. Can't wait to try that out as well. We also got the Supreme Frost in the shade Caramel Kiss, which was honestly so pretty. I mean, I kind of want to try it out as an eyeshadow, but I just don't want to use it like a couple times, so I'm gonna probably end up giving that to a friend. Prom night, oh my gosh, I just want to jam out to this already. I love it so much. Got my new little baby, the Jeffree Star Halloween orange mirror. This gosh, you guys have no idea. This is just so pretty. Orange is one of my favorite shades, like a burnt orange or like a bright orange like this. Maroon and orange, they're my favorite. They're just so pretty. Also got the lip bundle right here. So freaking pretty. Love me not. I can't remember what this was from. Can't remember if it was like from Valentine's Day or whatever, but now looking at this, I kind of want to buy all the other ones that he has, all the other little lip mini bundles. All right, and then our last two were the lip liner right here in the shade Anna Nicole to go with my Anna Nicole lipstick. So excited. And then also Venus Flytrap, which was right here. It actually dried down to be such a very beautiful green that I can't wait to try this on. I most likely won't wear it on my lips unless I do like darker and then put this in the middle, but I can't wait to try it on my eyes because I feel like it's gonna be absolutely stunning. Final thoughts on the $160 Supreme box. Do I think it was worth it? Absolutely. Literally every single item in here excited me. Not one thing was I like, yeah, I probably won't get any uses out of that, because I look at his makeup and I see art, and I also see like how I'm gonna, you know, use it. Or if I can't use it, I'm gonna give it to somebody that I know is gonna love and enjoy it every single day. You know what I mean? So yeah, in conclusion, $160 box. Totally worth it. And I'm glad I was waiting. Literally, I was in the checkout line. You know, I think I was in there, I think I set my alarm 10 minutes till, and I was just like refreshing and refreshing. And then I didn't even breathe the whole time. And it took me like 2 minutes to check out. And I was like, oh my God, I got it. So, and it took less than a week to get here. So congrats to Jeffree. He always has the best like shipping time. And I'm just so happy that I received this box. Thank you. I'm just so happy that I received this box. All right, guys, that is it. That's all I got for you today. And thank you so much for watching today's unboxing. I love unboxings, and I also just love doing them when it comes to the Jeffree Star mystery boxes, because he always just has a bunch of good stuff in there. And if you guys aren't subscribed, make sure you subscribe before you leave, like this video, and then, you know, leave a little comment telling me what you were excited for when I opened up this box. Thank you guys, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye. See you later.